Hello and welcome back everybody. So how you can install Ubuntu 14.04 in VMware Workstation. Okay, so how you can do that. Okay, so let's open the VMware Workstation, and if you do not have downloaded 14.4 Ubuntu iOS, you can go with the link I'll mention in the description. Okay, and download from there. Okay, also I have already created a video you can check out. Okay, so here I have already created some machines, so let's create a new machine. Click on file and new virtual machine. So click on new virtual machine, first option. Here you can see there are two options, typical or custom. So I'll go with typical. Okay, so click next. Here you can see there are some options. I will select I'll install the operating system later. Okay, so it's a very good option to select, so just click next. Okay, here you have to select your operating system, so I'll select Linux Ubuntu 64-bit. Okay, Ubuntu 64-bit, and click next. Here you can rename your version Ubuntu machine name. Okay, so let's 14.04. Sorry, actually my numlock is not working, so 14.04. Okay, so that's it for, and in the location you can change the location, so I'll select the location here. Let's go to this PC, and this is the image location actually, so you can select another location, or it will automatically select the by default. Okay, so I'll select the another location, virtual VMware. Here I create a new folder, Ubuntu 14.04. Okay, so enter, and I have created Ubuntu 14.04 and click OK, and you can see I have selected the location. Okay, so click next, and it asks for the maximum disk space. You can increase or decrease disk space from here. Okay, just like here. Okay, and here you can see store virtual disk as a single file, so I'll select as a single file. I don't want multiple files, so I'll select single file, store virtual disk as a single file. Okay, and click next, and here go to customize hardware. Okay, and now you can customize RAM from here. I'll go with 4GB RAM. Okay, and you can customize processor from here, and this one. Okay, new CD and DVD. Okay, select here ISO, use ISO image and browse the ISO image. I have already downloaded the ISO image, so I'll select it. ISO file Ubuntu 14.04. Okay, so open, and now I have selected my Ubuntu ISO file, and I'll close it. Okay, so I have fulfilled all the requirement. You can see here. Okay, this is the summary. Okay, so let's finish it. Okay, and now you can see we have Ubuntu 14.4 64-bit. Okay, so let's turn on this machine and let's see, let's do other configurations. Okay, so now you can see here we have two options. Okay, try Ubuntu or install Ubuntu, so I'll go with install Ubuntu because we need to install Ubuntu. Okay, so click on install Ubuntu. Okay, let me zoom it. Okay, for but let's okay, so here you can see there are some preparing to install Ubuntu. For the best result, please ensure that this computer. Okay, so it has at least 4.6 GB available disk space. It's connected to the internet. Okay, and continue. Let's continue. Okay, here you can see erase disk and install Ubuntu. So I'll go with erase disk and install Ubuntu because I provide 20 GB disk space in this machine. Okay, and also you can go with settings. Okay, here settings, and I forgot to mention that mention this option, bridge option. Okay, connect directly to the physical network. Okay, if you select this option, the virtual machine will will be a part of the real network, real local network. Okay, so it will going to be your real network. Okay, so let's okay. Now go with install now. Okay, so click on install now. It will take a little bit time, so just wait. Now it asks for the location. I'll select the India, Kolkata. Okay, so click continue. I'll go with English. Okay, I'll use username Raj. Okay, this is my password. Okay, so here you can see login automatically require password to login. Okay, if you check this option login automatically, it will be helpful for whenever you restart your machine, it will login automatically. Okay, so I'll go with this option and continue. Okay, now you can see the installation is completed. Okay, so click on restart now. Okay, press enter. Okay, so you can see I have successfully installed Ubuntu 14.04. Okay, so you can see here it ask me for upgrade, so I don't want to do that. Okay, so that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for being here. So that's it. Bye.